Hi, once again, welcome back to Obstetrics and Gynecology videos. In this video, I'm going to deal about the repeated questions from the main competitive examinations. That is, this include the repeated questions from the PSC, AIMS, Railway, MNS and other competitive examinations. If you are looking into the previous questions of these examinations, you can see that a large number of questions are there from the OBG. That's the thing which made me to do this video, and I have divided this video into certain parts. In the first part, I'm dealing about the male and female reproductive system, or the questions from the male and female reproductive system. First one, which one of the following causes mammary gland to enlarge during the puberty? The options are testosterone, estrogen, oxytocin and progesterone. And the correct option is marked in yellow. So that is, we know that estrogen is the hormone which is helping for the enlargement of the mammary glands. And second question is, the inner lining of the uterus is called, options are endometrium, myometrium, cervix and fimbriae. And the correct option is endometrium. Option A, endometrium. Which one of the following regarding estrogen is correct? Option A, causes endometrium to rebuild. B, has no effect on the Wolffian duct. C, maintains the secondary sexual characteristics in female. And option D, all of this. And here the answer is option D, all of this. The fourth question is, oxytocin is secreted by option A, uterus, option B, ovary, option C, posterior pituitary, and option D, hypothalamus. And the correct option is option C, posterior pituitary. The fifth question is, the secretory phase of human menstrual cycle is also called, option A, luteal phase, lasts for about 6 days. Option B, luteal phase, lasts for about 13 days. Option C, follicular phase, lasts for about 6 days. And option D, follicular phase, lasts for about 13 days. And the correct answer is option D, follicular phase, lasts for about 13 days. And sixth question, which one of the following event takes place in the luteal phase of menstrual phase? Option A, follicle stimulating hormone, that is FSH secretion begins. Option B, follicle maturation takes place. Option C, endometrium breaks down. And option D, corpus luteum forms. And the correct option is option D, corpus luteum forms. The seventh question is, the uterine tubes are measured about, option A, 10 cm, B, 14 cm, C, 16 cm and D, 8 cm. And the correct option is option A, 10 cm. Eighth question is, breast usually extends from the dash mid-clavicle line. Option A, 3rd to 5th, option B, 2nd to 6th, option C, 4th to 6th and option D, 5 to 7th. The correct option is option B, that is 2nd to 6th. Ninth question is, the process involved in the development of mature ovum is called, option A, gametogenesis, option B, spermatogenesis, option C, oogenesis and option D, spermiogenesis. And the correct option is option C, oogenesis. The 10th question, which one of the following statements about human sperm is correct? Option A, acrosome has a conical pointed structure used for piercing and penetrating the egg, resulting in fertilization. Option B, the sperm lysins in the acrosome dissolves the egg envelope, facilitating fertilization. Option C, acrosome serves as a sensory structure leading the sperm towards the ovum. Option D, acrosome serves no particular function. And the correct option is option B, the sperm lysins in the acrosome dissolve the egg envelope, facilitating the fertilization. The 11th question is, the process of sperm production takes place in the option A, epididymis, option B, vas deferens, option C, prostate gland, option D, seminiferous tubules. And the correct option is option C, prostate gland. The 12th question is, which one of the following secretes the gonadotrophic hormones? Option A, adrenal gland, option B, anterior pituitary, option C, posterior pituitary, and option D, thyroid gland. And the correct option is option B, that is anterior pituitary. The 13th question is, vas efferentia are the ductless leading from option A, epididymis to urethra, option B, testicular lobules to rete testis, and C, rete testis to vas deferens, and option C, vas deferens to epididymis. And the correct option is option C, that is rete testis to vas deferens. Now we can move to the 14th question. Which one of the following is incorrectly matched regarding male reproductive system or male reproductive organs? Option A, testis, sperm and sex hormones are produced. Option B, epididymis, ducts where sperm mature. Option C, prostate gland, contributes fluid to semen. Option D, urethra, contributes nutrients and mucus containing fluid to semen. So the correct option here is option D, urethra, contributes nutrients and mucus containing fluid to semen. The 15th question is, the testes in humans are situated outside the abdominal cavity inside a pouch called scrotum. The purpose served is for option A, providing a secondary sexual feature for exhibiting the male sex. Option B, maintaining the scrotal temperature lower than the internal body temperature. Option C, escaping any possible compression from the visceral organs. Option D, providing more space for the growth of epididymis. And the correct option is option B, maintaining the scrotal temperature lower than the internal body temperature. The 16th question is, if for some reason the vasa efferentia in the human reproductive system get blocked, the gametes will not be transported from option A, vagina to uterus, option B, testis to epididymis, option C, epididymis to vas deferens, option D, ovary to uterus. The correct option is option B, testis to epididymis. The 17th question is, corpus luteum is the source of secretion of option A, LH, that is luteinizing hormone, option B, estradiol, option C, estrogen, and option D, progesterone. And the correct option is option D, progesterone. The membrane investing the ovum just outside the membrana granulosa is option A, theca interna, option B, discus proligerus, option C, zona pellucida, option D, vitelline membrane. The correct option is option A, theca interna. The 19th question is, if after ovulation pregnancy does not take place, then the corpus luteum, option A, produces lot of relaxin and oxytocin, option B, degenerates in a short time, option C, is maintained in the presence of progesterone, option D, becomes active and secretes a lot of luteinizing hormone and follicle stimulating hormone. The correct option is option B, degenerates in a short time. The 20th question is, Graafian follicles are characteristically found in the option A, ovary of frog, option B, testis of mammal, option C, thyroid of mammal, option D, ovary of mammal. The correct option is ovary of mammal. The 21st question is, the nutritive medium for the ejaculated sperm is given by option A, fallopian tubes and release a secretion which makes sperm motile, option B, uterus and release a lubricating fluid during the birth of young ones, Option C, urinary bladder and assist in the release of urine. Option D, vestibule and release a lubricating fluid in the vagina. And the correct option is option D, vestibule and releasing a lubricating fluid in the vagina. The 22nd question is, after ovulation, the Graafian follicle becomes an endocrine organ called option A, fibrin, option B, ovarian tube, option C, globulin, and option D, corpus luteum. And the correct answer is option D, corpus luteum. The 23rd question is, the nutritive medium for the ejaculated sperms is given by option A, fallopian tube, option B, vaginal fluid, option C, seminal fluid, option D, uterine lining. And the correct option is option C, seminal fluid. 24th question is, the stroma of the ovary consisting of blood vessels, nerves, muscle fibers and a type of protein called option A, fibrin, option B, collagen, option C, albumin, and option D, globulin. Here the correct option is option B, collagen. The 25th question is, which of the following condition is screened by pap smear? Option A, ovarian cancer, option B, endometrial cancer, option C, cervical cancer, option D, breast cancer. And the correct option is option C, cervical cancer. The 26th question is, which of the following is the highest diameter of the female pelvis? Option A, anterior posterior, option B, lateral, option C, oblique, option D, all are equal. And the correct option is option A, anterior posterior. 27th question is, which test is commonly used to find out the number of motility and activity of sperm? Option A, protein electrophoresis, option B, CMP test, option C, PCR test, and option D, Horner test. Here the correct option is option D, Horner test. 28th question is, name the site of sperm maturation. Option A, epididymis, option B, ductus deferens, option C, spermatic cord, option D, urethra. Correct option is option A, epididymis. 29th question is, which of the following produces the male sex hormone? Option A, rete testis, option B, seminiferous tubule, option C, Leydig cell, option D, scrotum. And the correct option is option C, Leydig cells. The 30th question is, which of the following is an energy source for the sperm? Option A, somatostatin, option B, prostaglandin, option C, proteins, option D, fructose. And the correct option is option D, fructose. 31st question is, the fluid from which of the following accessory gland neutralize the acidity in a vagina of the female? Option A, seminal vesicle, option B, prostate gland, option C, Cowper's gland, and option D, urethra. And the correct option is option C, Cowper's gland. 32nd question, name the process by which most of the oogonia degenerated before the birth. Option A, atresia, option B, zona pellucida, option C, acrosome, option D, granulose cells. And the correct option is option A, atresia. 33. Name the hormone which is at peak during ovulation. Option A, progesterone, option B, estrogen, option C, FSH, option D, LH. And the correct option is option D, LH. 34th question. The seminiferous tubules of the testis are lined by the germinal epithelium consist of option A, spermatids, option B, spermatogonia, option C, cells of Sertoli, option D, spermatogonium. And the correct option is option C, cells of Sertoli. The 31st question is, there is a connective tissue cord extending between the testis and the abdominal wall known as option A, mesenteric cord, option B, testis cord, option C, spermatic cord, and option D, gubernaculum. And the correct option is option C, spermatic cord. 36th question. Another name of bulbourethral gland is option A, prostate gland, option B, perineal gland, option C, Cowper's gland, and option D, meibomian gland. And the correct option is option C, Cowper's gland. The 37th question is, the membrane investing the ovum just outside the membrana granulosa. Option A, theca interna, option B, zona pellucida, option C, vitelline membrane, option D, discus proligerus. And the correct option is theca interna. 38th question, weight of the non-pregnant uterus is option A, 60 grams, option B, 100 grams, option C, 600 grams, and option D, 1000 grams. And the correct option is option A, 60 grams. 39th question, after ovulation, the Graafian follicle becomes an endocrine gland called option A, fibrin, option B, ovarian tube, option C, globulin, option D, corpus luteum. And the correct option is option D, corpus luteum. 40th question is, the nutritive medium for the ejaculated sperm is given by option A, fallopian tube, option B, vaginal fluid, option C, seminal fluid, and option D, uterine lining. And the correct option is option C, seminal fluid. 41st question, the stroma of the ovary consists of blood vessels, nerves, muscle fibers, and a type of protein called option A, fibrin, option B, collagen, option C, albumin, and option D, globulin. The correct answer is option B, collagen. 42nd question, human eggs are mesolecithal, option B, microlecithal, option C, macrolecithal, and option D, alecithal. And the correct option is option D, alecithal. Question number 43. Hormones that control the growth and maturation of Graafian follicle is option A, FSH and LH, option B, FSH and ICSH, option C, ACTH and LH, option D, GH and ADH. And the correct answer is option A, FSH and LH. 44th question. The chemical of the ovum that attracts and holds sperm. Option A, fertilizin, option B, anti-fertilizin, option C, agglutinin, option D, anti-agglutinin. And the correct answer is option A, fertilizin. Question number 45. Corona radiata is held by option A, mucopolysaccharide, option B, oligosaccharide, option C, lipopolysaccharide, and option D, lipoprotein. The correct answer is option A, mucopolysaccharide. 46th question is, total number of ovum released in the lifetime of a woman is approximately option A, 40, option B, 400, option C, 4000, and option D, 20,000. And the correct answer is option B, 400. The 47th question is, the middle piece of the sperm contains option A, protein, option B, nucleus, option C, mitochondria, and option D, centriole. The correct answer is option C, mitochondria. 48th question, Sertoli cells are found in option A, seminiferous tubules, option B, ovaries, option C, prostate gland, and option D, semen. And the correct option is option A, seminiferous tubules. 49. Name the pituitary hormone that regulates Sertoli cells? Option A, prolactin. Option B, LH. Option C, FSH. Option D, oxytocin. And the correct option is option C, FSH. 50th question is, Tunica albuginea is related to option A, prostate gland. Option B, pituitary gland. Option C, hypothalamus. And option D, testis. Here the correct answer is option D, testis.